Welcome to the Built-in Silence Podcast. This is where disciplined people think louder than they speak. Sit back, lock in, and let's break down ideas that make you sharper.
Most introverted men are inconsistent because they're lazy. They're inconsistent because they're overloaded. And once you understand that, you would then understand that consistency is only a matter of energy management. And then after that, consistency will be yours to own. Let's get into it. There are 4 reasons why introverts cannot stay consistent. The first one is because your brain stays on too long. Introverts ourselves tend to think a lot longer than normal to do things instead of just doing it, which is good and it's bad. The bad thing about this is the more you think about things, the less you have to plan. That burns half your time planning because you do too much overtime thinking things out way too much. That second one is introverts take on too many tasks at once. Meaning that introverts commit mentally to 5 habits or 5 things at a time. And when you take on more than that, then that in turn will cause everything to collapse because you can only focus on those at a time. Meaning that you are unrealistically trying to overcome your deficiency by doing more. What you need to do is take a step back and do less. That third reason is many introverts rely on motivation more than structure. Just anybody around the world in general can rely on motivation. But did you know that motivation only lasts for like 2 or 3 days, or maybe even a little bit longer depending on how strong that inner will in your body is. But that's not here or there. Many people, maybe yourself, use motivation as a initial burst of energy in the beginning, but that can't sustain you long enough. What you need is some type of rhythm to keep going. And that last one, you copy extroverts' routines. You see them online, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, TikTok, whatever social media platform you use. You see them posting the high social life, the high routine, the lot of people with the loud routines, the freaking high stimulation, stuff like that. And you tend to think that maybe I could do that. No. That's probably the reason why you're feeling now. And that's the reason why you can't commit to one thing for a month. And then you wonder why you keep starting over to the next thing. And how do you fix these problems? Simple. A low noise consistency system. Here's a framework that I've created for you that I use myself personally without even thinking about it. Now that I believe that can help you stay consistent because it helps me know my mission, my routine, and it's easily repeatable over time. That first one is one primary habit. Pick one habit, only one, because introverts, it may be other people, but introverts primarily thrive when that one mission is clear. That one habit could be something as simple as I will go to the gym every day for 30 minutes a day. I'll read a book every day for 15 minutes a day. I will plan my day for 15 minutes a day before I go to sleep. Something simple like that. That second one is same time and same trigger. Do it the same exact way at the same exact time every single day. Whether it's after you wake up, after you have your morning coffee, after you have breakfast, after work. Introverts ourselves don't need discipline. What we need in our life is predictability. That third one is your habit should be a low demand execution habit, meaning that even on your worst day, you should be able to do your habit. If your habit only applies to you only when you feel good, then it will fail. I would say this again. If your habit only applies to you when it feels good, it will fail, and so will you. And the fourth one is this habit should be identity based and not mood based. You don't wait until you feel like doing it. You tell yourself that this is the type of man I'm becoming, so this is what I will do. You will lay that fucking shit down and let it be known that this is what you do and not what you will do. And from that shift alone will make consistency in your life more automatic. So because I like giving tactical tips and routines that you can start right now to become more proactive, here's something simple you can try today. Step 1. Wake up. and sit still for 1 to 2 minutes. Step 2, you will sit in your bed and think for 5 minutes on what you need to do for the day. Step 3, drink water. Step 4, do the primary habits immediately. Whatever habit you said above, that's the habit you will do. And step 5, end the day with this question: did I honor my identity today? Let me know what you think about this in the comments. But thank you for listening and stay motivated.
Thanks for tuning in. Remember, growth doesn't need an audience. Keep moving in silence and let the work echo later. Catch you on the next one.